So one of the things that I talked about in my last video was one way of finding joy for me is going out in nature. So I like to go out into the woods and just be alone with the trees and the water and the birds and all the animals here, and just reconnect. Because when you're just going about your day all day and busy and distracted, sometimes it's hard to connect with yourself, your inner world, your higher self, your guides. But when you're here, all is calm, and you can really go inside and connect with God and yourself and reflect and find that peace. And the more that you do that, the more you're able to bring it into every aspect of your life, which makes everything clearer, because the things that are happening around you are just showing you, in most cases, what's going on inside of you. So if we heal ourselves from the inside, then our outer world will reflect more of that. And the things going on in our outer world are helping show us what's going on inside of us that we need to heal. So sometimes you might get triggered by those around you, and they're there in that moment because you have a lesson to learn, because you need to see something. Sometimes we also get stuck in lower energy sometimes, because of ourselves or because of people around us. And it's important to be discerning about being in alignment with yourself, your inner world, your higher self, and letting yourself experience things externally that continue to bring you down on a daily basis or more throughout the day, certain times of the day, certain people, certain places. It's important to be able to recognize when you're in alignment with something and when you're not. And the things that you're not in alignment with, being okay with saying, this isn't serving me, I don't align with this, and to remove yourself from whatever that is, person, place, thing. So it can be just a habit that gets you down, or a person that gets you down, or a place, certain expectations that are placed on you that don't feel right. So trust yourself, trust how you feel about all of those things, how you feel about the alignment with things, what things resonate with you. Really feel into your body and how all of the things make you feel. The more in touch you can be with yourself and what resonates with you, then the more aligned you can be internally, and then that reflects externally as well. And you can continue to rise up and feel better and become everything that you came here to be exactly who you are, to love yourself, to trust yourself, be in your power, and enjoy your life. So I just encourage you today to spend some time with yourself, love yourself well, trust yourself, trust what resonates with you, and continue on the journey of being more and more aligned with who you truly are. I love you all. Thank you for being here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.